Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So pretty much a nothing day yesterday. We are kind of ranging, and we'll get to that in the lower time frames. This trend line is very much in play. You need to pay attention to that. See, there's 3 touches on that line, and you can basically call that a 4th touch. We do have the oscillators not grouped yet. They're starting to turn, and we are hovering here in this area. So remember, we start breaking below, I'd say the swing low here, so 38.85. That's going to validate this big cup and handle, and we'd look for a retest of that and then a continuation to the downside. Until that happens, we are not looking at shorts at the moment. The converse is true to the upside, and that level is 39.66. So if we look at the 3-hour, clear range for yesterday, pretty much up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So until we break through that range, I am sit on hands. We move across the hour, you can see exactly the same scenario. So normally what happens when you have a move in a direction, you have a consolidation or a pullback, and then you have a continuation. And it really depends how long this goes on. So at the moment it is 28 bars, and the longer it goes on, the more indecisive it is. So for me, break to the upside, retest, you're probably looking at longs. Break to the downside, retest, you're looking at shorts. Right now we've got a grouping to the upside of the oscillators on the daily, on the 1 hour, and basically you would expect that to come back down and test the bottom of the range. We do have a bit of data coming out today. Don't think it's going to impact it too much. And if we just drop down to the 15-minute, you can see there was absolutely 0 opportunities yesterday. It's really just an up and down day. So oscillators all over the place as well. So for me, sit on hands until we break above 39.66, and you need to do this on the 15-minute. So break, retest, and that's what you're looking at there. And then to the downside, 39.24 is what you're looking to the downside. I would assume if it does move to the upside, your upside target is going to be around 4,000. You can basically just take the range height as well. So that would be 427 points. 4,000 is pretty much close enough. So that's kind of a view I've got at the moment. We need to see what happens at 4,000. That is a critical level. We just can't get support or resistance there. There is a little bit of a gap above there as well. But that would also line up with the 155 EMA. Reject that area, then definitely got to move to the downside coming. Probably a little bit bigger than what it looks like at the moment. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. We are sideways, so I don't like trading it when it's sideways like that. We'll wait for a break to the upside. We'll look for the target range. If we look for a break to the downside, watch out for this 39 area. You probably bounce off 39 area and come back up to test the bottom of the range and then roll over again. So that's kind of my view. Sit on hands until we get a break of the structure that has formed. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.